Do you want to give Charmander a nickname? Yes, I would love to. Blaze. Oh. Scratchy scratched him. Scratch. Squirtle's hardly doing any damage to me right now. Okay, one more scratch should do it. Okay, so I kill him, and I get a 70 experience points, which I grow a level, which that's nice. Which I don't learn any moves though. So now, yeah, he lost. I get $80, and so